leather restoration, usually after cleaning and using IPA to remove the color and preparing the surface for primer and leather pigment colors, one of the best things to do is to use fat absorber, which we will show you in the video how to mix it with IPA to make it like jelly, and apply fat absorber onto the surface of the leather. The purpose of fat absorber, or rather we call it soil absorber, is to suck up any contamination such as oil, dirt from the leather surface, so that the leather surface is clean, neat and ready to receive all other applications such as primer, pigment and so on and so forth. So fat absorber is one of the best product. It's in powder form, and when you mix it with IPA, it looks like a transparent jelly. The next thing we would like to introduce to you is the filler. So when you squeeze out onto the pallet, it looks exactly like this. It's a creamy white pasty product, and we use the filler to mix with the color that you desire that is going to be sprayed onto the leather, and then mix it very well so that the entire filler looks the same color as the color intended to be sprayed or applied on the leather surface. It may not be 100% the same because the paste is white, but if you put more colors to mix it, it will look almost the same. Okay, so we're going to show it to you how we do it. This is the pigment jet black that we are going to mix with the filler. So what we do is you pour over into the paste like this, and use a spatula and you start mixing. As I said, pour as much color as possible and then start mixing it so that the entire filler, which is like this, looks the same as the color you intended. Then you can use the filler to apply to all the cavity, the cracks of the part of the leather, fill it up, flatten it, sand it, and when it's ready, this filler would have the same color as you intended to spray, so you don't have to have too much covering and makes the leather lose